morning all. Myself Suchismita. From last 10 years I am teaching abacus. First of all we should know what is abacus. Abacus is nothing, just a calculating tool only. Using this tool we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The question is that if every day in school using pen and paper we are doing addition, subtraction and multiplication, all these things, what is the need to learn this abacus? Okay, so many questions are there in our minds. Why we should learn this abacus? Okay, for doing any activity we need a hand-eye coordination and concentration. Without concentration we cannot do anything properly. So to improve this concentration we have so many activities like karate, singing, yoga, abacus, etc. From that I am choosing this abacus because in abacus with increasing memory, visualization, concentration, so many things we are getting is sitting in home only. Okay, in practicing this abacus, definitely we will get a better concentration, better memory, better self-respect, self-esteem, good visualization, so many things. How does this abacus work that we are getting so many things? Okay, already science has proven that we have two sides of brain. Okay, one side is right brain and other side is left brain. Our left brain is connected to our right hand and our right brain is connected to our left hand. When we are using both the hands, our both side brain cells are getting developed. Already science has proved this also, that using this abacus or practicing this abacus for so many days or so many years, we will get a good developed brain. Okay, when we are doing this abacus, doing calculation using this abacus, definitely we will use both our hands. So our right hand and left hand, both the hand will work, and when both the hands will work, definitely our both brain side cells are getting developed. Okay, so the question is that so many children will tell that normally also our brain cells are getting developed. Why to use this abacus? Okay, the question is that think about this little bit thing. Whenever your mother is asking that please give me a glass of water, what you are doing? Definitely you will give the glass of water with the right hand only. When your father is saying that please switch off the TV, so what you will do? You will go and you will use your right hand to switch off your TV. Definitely in your school, whenever your teacher is telling that children draw this drawing, you will definitely take your pencil with your right hand and you will draw it very nicely. Okay, whenever you are shaking your hands to your friends, what you are doing? Hello, how are you? So every time, more or less 99% of time you are using your right hand only. You never try to use your left hand. So, and those who are left-handed, they are using their left hands 99% of times. They are keeping their right hand idle. Why you are giving so much rest to this left hand? If you are giving so much rest to your left hand, definitely your right brain will also get rest only. It becomes idle only. So, to improve these two side brains, you have to use both the hands only. If your right side brain is taking rest, means right side brain is normally responsible for concentration, memory, visualization, all these things. If all these things are getting rest only, how you will improve your concentration? So, to increase this concentration and memory, definitely both the hands you should use so that you will get a better hand-eye coordination. So, using this abacus, using this abacus when you are doing calculations, your brain cells will get developed. This is the main part of using this abacus only. Okay, so the question is that, okay, you will use this abacus for that better concentration only. After that, getting good concentration, you will do better in sports. If you want to become a singer, you will do better in singing. If you want to become a cricketer, you will do better in cricket. Whatever you want to be in that, you will go, you need a good concentration, and using this abacus you will get that. Apart from this, the main vital point is that in future one day we are going to write one competitive exam. Definitely you are going to write a competitive exam, because this is a competitive world only. So in that competitive exams, you will face so many questions in a limited time period. Maximum of the children know how to solve that questions, but the question is that they are not getting enough time. If from the childhood itself only you will practice this abacus day by day, you will get a good concentration, along with that good memory, good speed, good accuracy, good visualization. If you are getting a good speed, there you can save your time. So definitely you will get a better rank comparatively to the normal children. Okay, so keeping view that thing, from the childhood only we have to spend little bit time. So now the point is, how much time we should spend on this only? We can't spend 24 hours a day, because as a child we have so much work. First of all, we have to go to school. After coming from school, we have to go to tuition. After that, watching TV. After that, playing with friends. After that, doing homework. So many works are there. So you have to just spend only 15 to 20 minutes. That's all. If every day you are spending 15 to 20 minutes with this abacus and with me to do this abacus, definitely you will get a better concentration and a better speed in mathematics. You will definitely develop a positive attitude towards math. You will never get fear to do the maths. Okay, so next is that this is the time how much we can spend, 15 to 20 minutes, that's all. Next the question is, who can practice this? Anyone can practice this, whether they are child, they are adult, anyone can practice. But the best is that 5 to 14 years is the best age. The younger, the better one. From the younger age, if you are practicing this abacus, till the time you are writing competitive exam, that time you will be very much accurate and you will be equipped with speed only. So we have to definitely practice this abacus. Adult can also practice this abacus, but without using this abacus, that is the next level. When we will learn that how without using this abacus we will do calculations, without using this instrument how we will do mentally all this calculation, that will be little bit harder for the adults, but with practice they can also do this. Now the last question is that, what do we need to do practice? We simply need one abacus, not this much big abacus. This is only teacher's abacus. You need only this small abacus. This is available in all bookstores. It comes around in between 70 to 100 rupees. You can buy this abacus, one notebook, one pencil. That's all. With that, we can practice this abacus in home only. No need to go anywhere, no need to spend so much of time, but the main thing is that regularity. If every day you are practicing this abacus with me, definitely you will get a good concentration, good memory, good visualization, a positive attitude towards math, a good speed and better self-confidence and all these things. Thank you all. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.